We're here up north at Chirton Engineering. They have just invested in their 5th CMM from Mitutoyo. With a company turnover of over £9 million, we're going to find out why inspection is so important to them. Darren, who is Chirton Engineering and what are you making here?
Chirton Engineering are a subcontract machine company based in the northeast of England. The majority of the work that we do is for the oil and gas and subsea industries. However, we also do work for automotive, mining, medical, to name but a few.
You're obviously doing everything right, considering the increase in your turnover over the past few years. So what have you got in your machine shop?
We have a mixture of CNC milling machines, both 5-axis, 4-axis and 3-axis. Majority of those are vertical machines. We also have 2- and 3-axis lathes and some manual machines as well.
So you've just recently invested in your 5th Mitutoyo machine. So why have you chosen them as a brand?
Mitutoyo are synonymous as being the market leaders in metrology, and at Chirton Engineering we never compromise on quality. So it was a fairly straightforward decision.
And so why have you chosen to buy your 5th machine?
It was a mixture of the reliability of the machines, also the quality of the machines, but also to keep up with the standardisation that we place a large priority on here in Chirton. It means we can move programmes from one machine to the other depending on the workload at that particular time.
So is that the main reason why you stuck with Mitutoyo, because you've already got machines that are working well for you and you thought, no, let's stick with this brand?
It was that and the combination of our inspectors are really comfortable working on Mitutoyo machines, and like I say, the accuracy of these machines is second to none.
So why is inspection and metrology so important to you here at Chirton?
As the business has grown throughout the years, the level and standard of work that we brought in has increased. We now cater for the more precise, definitely the more technologically advanced type of work, and to do that we need the best CMMs to be able to check those components.
What are you putting in place now to make your company more successful?
Apart from the standardisation, which obviously these Mitutoyos will bring, we are undergoing a long journey in 5S and continuous improvement to try and eliminate any waste throughout the business, make us more profitable and obviously pass those savings on to our customers.
Let's go and speak to the inspector and find out how he is getting on with the latest purchase. Chris, how long have you been working with Mitutoyo machines and do you enjoy using them?
I've been working on Mitutoyo machines for 15 years now. I've enjoyed working on them all the time that I've been doing it, so I'm always learning new things as I've been getting more experience over the past years. So.
And how have you gotten the experience? Because am I right in thinking, are you self-taught?
Well, I'm pretty much self-taught when I was working at a previous company 15 years ago, and so I've just been learning and learning since then. I've been on a few courses, but the courses I pretty much know everything that I'm learning when I go down there anyway. So, and I'm just learning new stuff all the time on the machines with the software upgrades and the different styli that we use, and so yeah.
So what do you like about these machines?
Just the repeatability of them, the accuracy of them, and I just like the machines in general. I like the inspection side of them. They're really good machines.
So how do you find the software on these machines?
Well, the software is really good. It's easy to use. There's many different parts of it that we've got. So we've got a scan pack software, card software, so it's pretty easy to use. So.
And what's the scan pack software that you've recently invested in?
It's a scan pack. It's because they've got lasers in them, so it will scan profiles, and it's quicker than like actually trying to measure a profile, which could be irregular shapes. So it's a lot easier to use.
And quicker?
Oh, much quicker. Yeah, much quicker.
Could you choose one feature that you like about the machine?
Well, we've just extended the rack on the machine, so it enables us to fill them up with loads of different styli. So it saves time having to change them, bring them over manually, change the styli for a different one. So now that we've got like a rack that's 1 metre long, we can fill that up with as many styli as we want, and it just makes life a lot easier for us in inspection. So, yeah.
You've had over 12 years working with Mitutoyo, so how's the service and support been for you?
The service and support from Mitutoyo has always been really high class. If ever there's been a problem with a machine, they've always replied to us fairly quickly, and obviously because of the time restraints that we have and the delivery schedules that we're up against, we can't afford to have a machine down for any period of time.
How would you summarise then Mitutoyo and what they do as a brand?
Mitutoyo are a brand that we are really familiar with. We have a long-standing relationship with them. They are synonymous with quality, as I've already mentioned, and I can see the relationship between Chirton Engineering and Mitutoyo going on into the future.